Apple's next move in the iPad Pro lineup is already shaping up to be a calculated refinement rather than a bold reinvention. After a major leap with the 2024 model, which brought an incredibly slim form factor and a stunning tandem OLED display, the company appears ready to double down on performance for the upcoming version. Expect the design to remain virtually untouched, no surprises there, at just 5.3 millimeters for the 11-inch and an astonishing 5.1 millimeters for the 13-inch variant. Apple has already pushed hardware engineering to its limits. And with an OLED screen that delivers some of the best visual quality ever seen on a mobile device, there's little reason for another exterior overhaul so soon. Internally, however, things are about to escalate. The current M4 chip offered raw power, but until iPadOS 26, that power was left somewhat underutilized. Now, with the OS evolving into a more capable multitasking environment, adding features like a revamped Files app, full-fledged preview support, and enhanced window management, the iPad Pro is slowly stepping into more laptop-like territory. These changes aren't just cosmetic. They're finally beginning to justify the Pro name, especially for users who demand more from their tablet. But what's next is even more promising. Sources have hinted that Apple's upcoming iPad Pro will be powered by the next-gen M5 chip. Performance will be front and center, and that includes more than just faster processing. The real shift may come in the memory department. Right now, the 8GB RAM cap on the base M4 iPad Pro feels limiting compared to Macs running the same chip. Apple is reportedly correcting that with the M5 generation, raising the base RAM to 16GB and potentially offering 24GB for the highest storage tiers. This is a smart move, especially considering the more complex multitasking tools arriving with iPadOS 26. What this means for creatives, professionals, and power users is simple. You'll have more headroom. Whether you're editing 4K video, juggling multiple Pro apps, or handling massive file transfers, the extra RAM will finally allow the iPad Pro to behave like the high-performance machine it claims to be. While the display may get marginally brighter and battery optimization will likely improve, the spotlight remains on chip and memory advancements. Release timing still leaves room for speculation. Some credible reports suggest Apple may unveil the M5 iPad Pro in late 2025 during its usual October to November M-Series showcase. If not, early 2026 is just as likely, potentially during the company's spring event window, which typically falls between January and April. Either way, the wait won't stretch beyond the next 10 months. Pricing is expected to stay steady, starting at $999 for the 11-inch and $1,299 for the 13-inch version, unless global trade conditions force a shift. With more RAM, a next-gen chip, and iPadOS finally evolving to support desktop-class productivity, the M5 iPad Pro is shaping up to be Apple's most complete tablet yet.